I have Miko and Jamie. Say hi, Miko.
Hello.
Hello. I'm back again. I'm flipping side.
So, today, what are we going to make, Miko?
We're about to make moonsand.
Moonsand. So,
Moonsand.
yes! Before anything else, if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell below.
Subscribe.
Yes!
Jamie said.
And the little flower, and the little me, and the little light. Bye.
Bye! So, not yet, Jamie. We have to show them how to make moonsand pa. So, make sure to subscribe in our channel for more family activities like this in the future. So, let's have fun! Yes! Are you excited?
Excited?
Ikaw, Jamie, are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. So, make sure, guys, before doing anything kids activity like this, make sure na merong adult supervision para to make sure everything are safe. So, let's get started.
Yes.
Okay. What are the things that we need, Miko?
We
Of
need
course, we have the
flour.
materials.
Flour.
We need this one muna. We have the tray. Dito natin lalagay later yung output, yung gawa na ng moonsand, and measuring cups, and a mixing bowl.
with flour.
Yes. And we need only 2 ingredients. Flour and oil. O, diba?
Yes.
Dali-dali lang. So, para makagawa tayo ng moonsand, i-mix natin yung oil sa flour. Okay, Miko. You pour the oil.
Let's go.
Let's make a well.
Make a well.
Yeah, like this, Jamie.
A canyon?
No, Go, Jamie.
Go, Mika.
Go, Miko.
Okay.
Pour it.
3, 2, 1, cinematics. Oh, it looks like egg.
Wow.
Ma.
Looks like the egg.
Wow.
Mix it, mix it, mix it.
So, let's mix it.
Ma, isn't this the
Mix it.
also
Oh, mix it,
it.
Miko.
Ma, isn't the 2 ingredients also used for making cake?
Yeah, you can also use for cakes, for cookies. So, it is safe.
And it's not toxic.
Ayan, mix it. You do it like this, yeah? Do it like this.
Oh, it's hard.
Sprinkle party.
Yeah.
Wow, it's
Like
so
this, like
hard.
this. Okay, transfer it in your tray.
Yes.
And the
Para dito na sila mag-play, diba?
Yes.
Oh.
Wow, that actually
You
right.
can put toys or anything. So they have, what do you call this one?
Hope.
Rake.
I can make a moon rock.
I want a moonsand.
Look at this. It's a moon rock.
And
Hey guys, look.
Yeah.
It's a moon rock.
You can build a castle. Here, you build a castle here,
Use
Jamie.
this.
yeah.
Diba? Ang linis nila. Saya. Here, Jamie. Or you put it here. Or
Hey ma,
you build it here.
Ma, you
The
know,
sun from there.
you know what's funny, ma?
Oh.
Look at this. It's a construction vehicle in the moon.
Ready, Mama?
Okay, ligpit na natin to.
Ta-da! I have a castle.
Wow! Nice!
Oh, you actually made that. What you actually made
Jamie.
that? I made a moon rock.
Oh.
And then
What else?
Ima, look
Oh, there's more, Jamie.
Ima,
Make
look
another castle, Jamie.
Ma, look, I'm carving. I'm making a statue.
Another.
I'm making a statue.
No, let it. Like that. Like, punuin mo, Jamie. Punuin mo like that.
Ima, look, I'm making a
More,
statue.
Jamie. Put more, Jamie.
Ma, look, I'm carving a statue.
What
Carving.
is statues? Nico statue.
I don't know. I don't know what I'm
Okay,
carving.
put it down.
It's gonna be the shiny statue.
Let me see. Wow!
Nice. Nice.
Look at that!
Awesome.
That's awesome!
It's a flower.
O, diba? Ang saya nila. Simple joy.
Enjoy
Yeah, I'm just
it.
gonna make a square.
Ang saya-saya ng baby. How about si mama nga din? Put it down, Jamie. Let's make another one.
I'm trying.
Pwede to sa adult, pwede sa kids.
Yeah,
At mga kids at heart.
yeah. Oh my god, it's so hard to make a square.
Let me see, let me see. Oo, pati si mama naglaro din. Naiwan yung isa niyang ano.
Ah, that's so fun.
Why did you break the other one, Jamie? Let's make a lot of ano.
Wait, Ma, I got an idea. How about let's use these ones to
Make
cover the
another
whole
one.
Yeah.
to
And I'll
surround the whole
make
thing.
another one.
One.
So that's it, guys. You can do this also at home. Super easy lang siya. 2 ingredients lang, the flour and the oil. So I made 2 cups of flour and 1/2 cup of oil. Any oil, baby oil, cooking oil. I use oil. Cooking oil namin is coconut oil. I hope nag-enjoy kayo as much as we did. Tingnan nyo naman sila, nag-enjoy na sila at ang kalat na nila and ang messy na nila, diba? So, that's okay, guys. Kasi pag nagkakalat sila, ibig sabihin, nagiging creative din sila. Let them explore on their own. Be creative. And it's also sensory play siya and it helps their fine motor skills also and their hand and eye coordination. So, I hope nakatulong to sa inyo na magkaroon ng idea to make activities at home together with your kids. So, pati ako nag-enjoy ako dito. Gusto ko rin makipaglaro sa kanila. So that's it, guys. I hope you like it. Feel free to do this also at home. Try it. Super easy lang. And please do subscribe and like and click that bell notification. And please comment down below also and share with us your DIY kids activities at home that you did already or that you want to share with us so we can also try it. So please do subscribe, like, and share. So together, stay safe and grow with us!
We'll see you on our next video. Bye!
Say bye, Jing!